Okay, let's continue. The benefits of computer networks. We have, of course, one of the benefit is resource sharing. So computer networks allow users to share resources such as your files, your printers, and internet access. Without a computer network, then it's impossible to share your files, okay? And then yeah, access to the internet. And then communication. Computer network allow users to communicate with each other using email, instant messaging, or other applications, video chats, etc. So this can improve collaboration and productivity, and then access to information. So computer networks allow users to access information from anywhere in the world as long as they have the internet connection. So this can be helpful for students, researchers, in business professionals. Okay, so what are the different protocol topologies? So again, what is a topology? It is a physical or logical arrangement of devices and connection in a network. It defines how devices are connected to each other and how data flows through a network. So design, okay, on your network para mas mapa-easy or mapadali ang pag-access sa ibang files, pag-share og mga resources or resource sa imong or pag-share sa imong mga files. Okay? So we have the main types, physical and then logical. The physical topology is a network is the physical arrangement of the devices and connections. So for this chapter, di na to na makita, no? Kung pag-arrange sa mga devices nimo. Later on na sa inyo ang networking yan. Pero ina niya yung example. No? So mag-design mo na. This is a switch. This is a switch. These are your computers. Connect nimo. So you'll be using a different tools in order for you to design physical topology. Okay, kamoy mag-design. And then it is determined by the type of cabling used and the way the devices are connected to each other. The logical is the way that data flows through the network. So it is not necessarily the same as the physical topology. And for example, a network may have a physical bus topology, but a logical has a star topology. So atong i-discuss karon what are the different designs. So yung ana niya ang tsura. Logical. Later on gapon magbuhat mo ani, but not in this subject. So sa networking na ninyo. What are the different common types of networking topologies? We have the bus topology. Again, equal nyo ang topology is the arrangement of your devices or connections. So first is we have this bus topology. A bus topology, all devices are connected in a single cable. So kita kaning cable, connected siya in a single cable. You have your computer diri, naka-server dira, naka-printer diya, naka-connect siya in one cable. Not necessarily inana ang iya ang position ha. One cable lang siya. Data is transmitted in one direction and all devices on the bus can receive the data. Bus topologies are simple to implement but they can be slow and unreliable. For example, gikan sa imong server nakay isend nga data from workstation A to workstation B. So moagi pa na siya diri, diha, didto. Okay? Ang imong data kay gikan diri, labay siya diya, moagi siya diya, dira. Kay naka one raman siya. Mahapit-hapit pa siya. Okay? So muna siya ang design, no? Ring topology, devices are connected in a closed loop. So data is transmitted in one direction around the ring, okay? And ring topologies are more reliable than bus topologies, but it can be more difficult to implement kaya naka-ring siya. Okay, you have your, again guys, not necessarily nga imong computer kaya nag-circle na sila. The cable lang ang niya ang the way how you are going to implement, no? Para pag send sa imong data pag share og resources. So the flow of message ingon ani siya. For example, nako isend nga message from computer A to computer kani diri. Di siya moagi diri no moagi siya diri. One, two nga mga computers ay siya mo-transmit diri. Okay? So kung ako i-send nga data from here up here, moagi sa siya diri. Kung ako isend nga data from here to here, magisa siya diri. Okay, so ano yan direction. So this can be more difficult to implement. And then we have the star topology. Star topology, ano star topology man siya? Because if you're going to look at it, mo siya naka-star. No? Kung mo na siyang i-connect ba? So in star topology, all devices are connected to a central hub switch. Okay, and data is transmitted between devices through the central hub switch. And then these are easy to manipulate, easy to implement and manage, and they are very reliable. So example, nakay workstation A, mag-send ka og data to here. So ipasa niya sa switch, si switch na rin mangita kung asa dapit nga data niya transmitan. So dira. So unlike 'di ba sa bus, kung mag-send kag data, maagi pa siya dira. Si ring maagi pa siya dira sa mga computer kasi naka-ring siya. Pero kung magamit kag hub or switch, then mas reliable ni siya because mag-send kog data from here up here, naon ra niya. So si switch ang mag-communicate asa dapit nga device niya i-send. Okay? So again, there's no configuration. Configure na ninyo pohon pag mag-networking na mo. And we also have this what we call tree topology. Ang tree topology are connected to a central hub, kana siya, or switch, pwede hub. And then the other hubs or switches in a hierarchical structure. And tree topologies are scalable and easy to manage, but they can be more expensive to implement than the other topologies. Ganun mas expensive man siya because you need a lot of hubs or switches. Nya mahal po ng switches and hubs, no? Di na siya kay barato ra kayo. Kaysa star topology, pwede ka 1 or 2. Kaya siya, yun ana ang yang hierarchical. Though mas kuan siya, mas reliable na, but expensive. And then the mesh topology is mesh. So mesh topology, all devices are connected to each other. This is the most reliable topology, but is also most expensive and very difficult to implement. Okay? So naka-mesh. Kaya para kung mag-send kag data from here, up here, diretso ra yung daloy pa. No, wala ni hapitan. Kung dire, send kag data from here, up here, pagkitaon niya ang pinaka-closest, pinakadali nga pag-transfer sa data, so diretso ra siya dira. Okay? Here, unlike kung bus or ring, maagi pa siya mga different computer sa maabot sa imong data. Possible nga, kung mag-send kog data dire, padulong dire, dili maabot kay nag-error siya dire. Okay? So muna siya ang ilang kakuanan, kalayan. So that's it for the chapter 10. We were able to discuss the common types of network protocols. Katulang sila. We have the bus, ring, star, tree, mesh, one ang pinaka-common. And then network topologies, benefits of computer networks, also the types of computer networks. And then we also discussed the different hardware devices or network components, and then what a computer network is, the OSI model, though wala na to gi-discuss yung kaayo tanan, no? Ang mga kailangan lang na to, the physical, data link, or ka na naman ata, no? Murag na pa ta sa 1 and 2. So the other, kamo na, ana, later on sa inyo ang other subjects. So that's it for the chapter 10, exploring the world of computer networks. And I hope nga namin natun-an na ano may idea karon how the devices are being connected with each other through a network. No? Na ano may idea what a Wi-Fi is all about, Bluetooth, fiber optics, cables, etc. in order for you to connect to a network. So if you have questions, feel free to send me a message. And that's it for the chapter 10.